Morning guys, bit of a murky day, just up on the moors. I've just got the 5 meter catapult and the Yoo-hoo glider, and just going to see if it goes without the I didn't bring up the fishing line, just the 5 meters of rubber, because I thought I was going to go off the hill, but that wasn't to be because it's fog bound. So just on a bit of flat field, so just going to give it on a go with the 5 meters of rubber and see what happens. Feels like a reasonable tension. Here we go. Oh! Veered off a bit there, didn't it? Still, I've increased the throws and I've got a lot more control, which is what I wanted, of course. Okay. I think that's the best I can hope for on without the fishing line. Ooh! I have to avoid the car then. Go up with a little bit of right aileron, right rudder I should say. A little bit of right and... oh, no. Too much right. I think I need to fly on the hill really as intended. It would get me up into the lift a little bit. So I'll do this one more time and then call it a day here, because it's not going to go anywhere. And there is a nice light breeze. I mean, the lift might the mist might lift, in which case I can go back. Right, okay, good news. I've moved up to the hill. The visibility is not great. I've got about 2 or 3 mile an hour wind, I guess, straight up the hill, so at least I've got a hill in front of me. Still going to catapult. I'll go back a little more. If we don't go sideways into those rocks, that would be spectacular. Hope we don't lose it in the mist. Okay, here we go. Go away. Okay. I lost it then in the mist. Obviously I can't go very high. That was scary. I actually lost it completely then. Right, maybe I ought to put the hook further down the hill so I'm standing more in the lift. I'm just zigzagging about really. Can I catch it? Oh yes. That wasn't so bad. Let's do that again. That was fun. Getting cocky now. Helicopter in the mist, but he's a way out. If you think I was going to dive to catch that one, you could. Fancy doing that? Go on then. You want to launch it at about that angle, just nice and level, just a gentle punt forward. Nice and level, mind your head on the tail plane.
Like that?
Yeah, point it to your left a little bit more. That's it. Okay, and launch. Oh, you're a natural. Did you feel the power?
Yeah.
Are you up for a catch?
I don't think that's a good idea.
I don't think I'm going to make it. I don't know. Okay, let's have a sandwich. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I forgot to hook it on the other end. Thought the tension wasn't coming up much. Oh, thought I went through some poo then. Just to be avoided at all costs. It's dropped completely again now. I don't know how far I'll get back in now. A bit of speed and then full up. The severest part of the ridge is down just where those horses are. Don't want it to ping out, that's the thing. That's pretty good, I think. Decline Yoo-hoo, model shop Leeds. Check them out. Link in the description. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Ideal model for moorland because you can't puncture the skin. An unforeseen bonus. I'm going to try and get a little bit heavier rubber as well, 3/16 and also possibly quarter. Mike Woodhouse Rubber Supplies, Free Flight Supplies. That's where I got this rubber. Check out his link below if you want to try it. This is it, guys. This is what I was hoping would happen. Went in. Oh. Didn't quite get there. That's all I came for. That was the one. Really successful little flying with the Yoo-hoo today then, guys. Started off with the flat field bungeeing, moved back up to the hill now the wind's lifted, and she floats around beautiful. The first time I've really slope saw her on a decent slope. Not a lot of lift, but what was good was good. So thanks for checking out the channel. Give us a little thumbs up button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.